I'm a little north of Austin, Texas, and I see in my rearview mirror an ambulance. So I pull over to the right lane so he can get through, and then I come to a stop. And this shocks me. Everyone just keeps going, and this guy moves out of the way the last second, right there. And from there, it gets worse. Me and this guy that just passed me with his blinker on right, I I'm I did something I shouldn't have, but he tried cutting me off and taking the lane, and now all the cars are getting over into that far left lane because they're trying to avoid the backups in the two right lanes. And seriously, this is the height of brown eyes, blue eyes. It's a video that Ryder made us watch. Now, the guy over here on the right, the fire department is now trying to get up here too. And if you look, you can see it all the way up there on the right. Everyone's trying to get in there, and these cars are refusing to stop. This is one step away from total anarchy. This is Mad Max and the Road Warriors out here. I have no idea what this guy's doing in the on the shoulder with that pickup that just pulled back out. I'm about to cut off all of this. Oh, okay. I've got a fire truck's coming up behind me, and so I've stopped completely. And all these cars, they just keep going. So what's going on is everyone is thinking the left lane is open, and so they're trying to bypass a traffic jam backup. And in a few seconds, you're going to see that there was never a backup on northbound 35. The the accident is on the other side, and now we just cut in. I just cut out 2 minutes and 10 seconds of the video. On the left side, you see a crane. You see this truck over here on the left, and there is no axles. There's no axles on that trailer, and the crane is getting ready to pull it out of there. And you can see on the left there the people that are getting ready to. Now, right down the middle, look at the fire department, and you'll see where his axles are. I've never seen nothing like this. The axles are sitting on the barriers. But the whole point of the video is that was an insane. I mean, how did he do that? And then we can see on the southbound side all of the backup. That's the real backup. But I'm serious about this, people. 10-20% of the people are total animals when they get behind the wheel. And there you go.